Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you button commands for headphones JBL Wave 100 TWS. Let's start by someone calling to you. So you can answer by pressing left or right button one time. Here we go. Now you can decline by pressing right or left button one time. Cool. So let's remove it and go to Spotify. Now you can play or pause the song by pressing left or right button one time. And you can turn on next music by pressing left or right button two times. Also, you can play previous song by pressing 3 times, but I can't doing it right now, but you can. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!